watch towards you.
Oh, really?
Yeah, like, but I can't do the voice anymore. What? Jelly, no!
Why are you yelling at her?
She's making,
Oh, delicious. What did you do?
My God, this is noisy.
Like, you know Teddy meowing? That was good. Teddy was like,
Right, go to the bathroom and put these on.
slow it to me. My leg hurts.
This fan has definitely bad bearings.
Alright, Eric. She's on.
That's a noisy fan, my God.
Isn't it awful?
Yeah.
Like, I tend to not use this fan.
I bet that's why you keep it on low all the time.
Yes.
Mario Kart?
Sometimes.
Want to play it on the Wii U?
Yeah, as soon as I'm done with this video, sure, we could play it.